Okay guys, we have a iPhone, iPad, any of those, the wire issue. As you can see, the color is changed after wire. Even if you use it normally, all of them is same thing. So what you can use, those heat shrink tube. So I bought this one from Princess Auto. You can buy from anywhere. So I cut it small, so you can use a black or yellow, so it doesn't fit, obviously none of the end, and you don't want to cut it. So the best thing, cut it short, try to stretch it a little bit. Doing it now, and you have to be careful, don't ruin it. And you stretch it just gently, try to push it in, fit in. One to the other end, another one. Now we can try to use a heat gun. You want to bring a heat gun, you just heat it up a little bit. Let me move those one. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, you heat it on. Yeah, as you can see, shrink back to the size we wanted. Maybe a little more heat. So I'm trying to put the, and this one. Okay, here. Go ahead. Okay. This is a way you can do it. Bring a black one. So you can do different colors. Well, different size obviously, but I guess yellow one will fit perfect. So this is this is how you do it. Thank you guys. Put likes.